Hi guys, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make Hyderabadi Nawabi Dum Biryani, for which I have taken here 1/4 kg of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 liter of curd, 10 green cardamoms, 10 to 12 cloves, star anise, cinnamon, shajira, bay leaves, 3 lemons, small cloves and Javitri flower, black pepper, fried fenugreek leaves, fried onions, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, desi ghee here I am using, and green chillies, 10 to 12 green chillies, 1 teaspoonful of cumin. Here I am using saffron, which I have dissolved it in a cup of milk. We have to take a deep frying pan here on the gas stove. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add green cardamoms, cloves, star anise, cinnamon sticks, shazira, small cloves and Javitri flower, black pepper. We have to fry them till the aroma comes out for 2 minutes. They are spluttering. Now add green chilli stick, cover them for 2 minutes. Add 4 to 5 bay leaves also. Here I have taken 3 kg of lamb mutton, washed and drained. Add cumin to it. Add some more shazira. Now turn off the gas stove. Let all the ingredients cool down. After cooling, transfer all the ingredients into a mixer jar. Add fried fenugreek leaves to it. Add fried onions. Add turmeric powder. Add red chilli powder and grind them into a smooth paste. This is the grounded spices paste. Add this paste to the mutton. Add 2 to 3 spoons of salt as per your taste. Add the entire ginger garlic paste to the mutton. Add the curd. If you want to increase the quantity of the paste or curd, you can increase it as per your wish. Now mix all of them. This is the marinated mutton. Keep it aside for 1 hour. To this marinated mutton, I am adding 1 more kg of mutton. So totally I have taken 4 kg of mutton and 1 extra liter of curd. One liter curd and half kg of ginger garlic paste. So totally I have taken 3/4 kg of ginger garlic paste and 1.5 kg of curd. Mix all of them. Add 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste. This is our 4 kg marinated mutton. I have taken 2 kg of rice in a colander and another 2 kg of rice in a big vessel. We have to wash and soak the rice, biryani rice, for half an hour. I have transferred 2 kgs of mutton in one pressure cooker and the other 2 kgs of mutton in another pressure cooker. Now add oil, I have added 300 ml of oil to each pressure cooker. Now add mint leaves, mix all of them. Now close the lid of the pressure cooker. On the gas stove. Now here I have not added a single drop of water. Keep the mutton cook for 5 to 6 whistles. Let us check whether the mutton is cooked or not. Slowly release the pressure otherwise we will get burns. I have not added a single drop of water. The mutton, the curd and the mixed spices released the moisture, released the water. The mutton is not cooked well, so we have to keep it for another 10 whistles in a high flame. Keep it for 10 whistles in a high flame. I have taken water in 2 vessels to cook the rice, to which I am adding 2 sticks of cinnamon to each of the vessel. And 1 teaspoonful of shajeera, four bay leaves to each of the vessel. Two cardamoms, six cloves, and half teaspoonful of black pepper to each of the vessel. We have to boil the water, then we have to add the rice to it. Now we have to keep the pressure cookers aside. We have cooked the mutton for 15 whistles in a high flame. Now I have kept the water for boiling in 2 vessels. We have to, this is the 3 lemons juice. We have to mix it in the milk, to which we have added saffron. When we add lemon to the milk, it curdles. See, it curdled. Milk is curdled. Let us check. The water is boiling. To this we have to add the washed and drained rice. Stir the rice well. To this we have to add 2 handfuls of salt, crystal salt. We have to cook the rice up to 80%. Here 80% of our rice is cooked. So we have to drain it now. I have drained the entire rice here. Now we have to add the mutton into the vessel. I have not added the single drop of water. Now we have to add the rice on the mutton, cooked mutton. I have poured the entire cooked mutton into the vessel. Now we have to pour the rice on the top of the cooked mutton. Now we have to close the lid and put the weight on it. We have to keep the weight on both the vessels and keep the flame in low medium for half an hour. We have to add the curdled lemon juice and milk to the biryani rice. For both the vessels we have to add it. Add ghee. Add chopped mint and coriander leaves on it. Half an hour is over. Let us check whether our biryani is cooked well or not. Let us transfer the biryani rice into a serving bowl. See, our biryani is cooked so well. It is so nicely cooked. Mutton also so nicely cooked. See. Now garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now our Hyderabadi Nawabi cooked mutton dum biryani is ready to eat. I hope all of you would like my recipe. Thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.